Hey friends, we're back for part 3 on clear quartz, and let's talk about how to use it. Meditating with clear quartz is great if you are feeling negative. You can hold the crystal in your non-dominant hand, taking a few deep breaths, and ask the crystal to help you release the negativity while meditating on this intention. May the highest vibration of love and light connect me with my higher self to assist me now. My intention is to clear all of the negative energy and release everything that is no longer serving me. You can wear clear quartz on your left hand to help receive the high vibrational frequencies of the crystal and amplify all of the positive and good vibrations around you. Wear it on your right hand to release any kind of clutter or chaotic energy from your energy field. And I personally love to wear clear quartz as a necklace because it's just one of my favorites and I feel like it really helps me. You can use clear quartz in your home, use a cluster in the living room for a beautiful remedy to create more harmony within your family. Keep a smooth, clear, tumbled quartz on your altar to bring light and freshness, or use a round faceted clear quartz to cure a lot of feng shui issues, such as like a door alignment or stagnant energy. You can also carry clear quartz with you in your pocket, purse, or car, or anywhere really in your home. Just make sure you stay positive since it is magnifying your energy. You can cleanse clear quartz with water, but please don't put it in the sunlight for too long, as it can only withstand about 2 hours of sunlight before it begins to crack or break, and you can also start a fire with this if it's in the sun for too long. You can also cleanse clear quartz using your favorite method of smoke cleansing or placing it on selenite.